guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a pack with me in the process of moving again. So today I'm going to be finishing some packing and I gotta clean, and you know what? Why don't you guys come and clean with me and pack with me, grab a snack or a drink or whatever and come chill with me and let's get this shit done.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
Most of my packing done. I got this. I got that. I got the pictures off the wall. I got that. I got all of this. I got stuff off the shelf there. Got some stuff over here that I already packed yesterday. These are all boxes here. I'm over there on that shelf. So I got most stuff packed up. My room's a big mess because I'm getting everything packed up. I don't know what my mom's doing. I don't know what she's doing over here. What are you doing over here? Oh, to pack away? Or to put stuff in? I got a new computer too. Right here. A new computer because I needed one. So, whew, so now I just gotta start with my clothes. I got too much shit. Okay. I was trying to get situated here. She's like moving all my little stuff in those big boxes. I got this big ass box. Another one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something.
My dolls packed in there.
There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it.